One of the hardships for people who like to go riding is to find an area that, first of all, accepts you and that has a great mix of trails. And we found one of those in Montana when we were invited down to go riding, and it's a private. Uh, they call it a resort, and it's kind of like a club where you have to buy a membership or be invited by the people who are members, and then you go riding there. And within this area, the scenery is spectacular. It has a whole set of, you can either ride out in the open. It's a live farm that's still working, so you're riding amongst a herd of cattle. There's horses running around. You see all kinds of wildlife. There's creeks through it, so that if you get fed up with riding through the open areas, you go a little bit further out, and then you're riding in the trees. You're going uphill, you're going downhill, you're in the mountains. I mean, it has everything a rider could ever ask for, and it's, as Montana likes to say, it's just the big sky country. It's just, the views are spectacular. You get up on the top, you can see right along the river. I can't think of a nicer spot to go riding. The neat part about this area in Montana is their trail mix is unbelievable. They have a single track trail system if you're a bike rider. They have open trails, which for the ATVs, and then side-by-sides are also welcome there. So that was my first chance to ride the one-up side-by-side, and that machine was just a load of fun. Trail system suited it perfectly. There were some wide open areas. You could get into some twisty turnies in the trees. I mean, you could put it through its paces and just have a blast.